So yeah, let's get started with SVG. The very first thing I want to talk about SVG is its viewport. But our SVG element is this window. And to be able to see into this world, we need to be able to specify the width and height of. And then within this SVG world, the X increases going to the right and the Y increases going down. So the XY, the 0, 0 starts at wherever we've specified the window to be, and then it goes across and down. And that's something to keep in mind because I think anybody that hasn't, I know this is I think this is pretty common in graphics programming, but anyone that hasn't really done that, it's a little bit of like a mental shift to And if you're interested in a really deep dive of the SVG coordinate system, I really highly recommend this blog series from Sarah Swedan. That we're not going to touch today, but that's just because in my experience, a lot of times in general with data visualization, I found Mozilla has a basic shapes article that you can check out. But the ones I like to use often is rectangle, circle, paths, and text. And so we always have to be able to see it rendering. For the circle, we always have to set the radius. For the path, we always have to set this D attribute, which is I think short for define. And this is kind of the string where we tell SVG the kind of path that we want to draw. And then the optional attributes are usually kind of like the positioning attribute. Pretty much the same thing. So text anchor, instead of you saying like text aligns left, center, or right, you have text anchor start, middle, and end. So that's like a slight syntax difference.